Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. It's December 2nd, 2019. Installing more accessories on the KRX 1000. Tonight, the rock slider set. Kawasaki part number 99994-1328. There's the rock slider set. I have installed it on the passenger side already. Basically, what you're going to get here is you've got your rock slider here that's going to mount up on the side. This is your mounting hardware. You've got some nuts, some bolts, and let me get over here. New bolts there. Allen head. But what is the advantage of bolting these babies on? This will work with the factory skid plate system as well. But you're going to get a little more added coverage. You're a 1/4 inch thickness on that HMW as well. All of the bolts are nice and recessed, as you can see there. To install this, you're going to undo the top 3 screws right there. Hold the slider up, mount this up with the spacers. Once you get the top lined up, I'd get those started and then get your center on the 3 on the bottom. But you are getting some extra coverage down the side, as you can see. And then also back here, the stock plastics, it's a little hard to see in this light, but you're gaining about that much coverage on the bottom in width. In the back, and then around the front, you're going to get this nice corner protection. This is going to be a spot where you're going to be hitting a lot of rocks or pivoting on rocks. I'm a huge Moab guy, love Moab. And a lot of the times we're pitching our machines up on the sides on these rocks, and to give it that added protection is going to be awesome. A little bit of advice, if you will, when it goes to installing these. The hardest part about this whole job was taking these screws out. They are very soft in the head, and you're going to want to get a nice, good quality Phillips screwdriver to get those out, because on the other side, I did have one of those heads strip out. It kind of caused me some grief. These weren't bad at all, but just get you a nice quality screwdriver. You'll see what I mean when you go to install it. But nonetheless, something that anybody can do. It's very, very easy to install. They're saying 30-minute install time, which is pretty accurate. Especially if you don't have any issues with stripping any of those bolts out, it'll be nice and slick for you. Got an announcement tomorrow that I'm going to be making about where we're heading with the Teryx KRX 1000. It's going to be a place you guys aren't going to want to miss. Videos to come this week. If you'd like more information, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. But there's your look at the rock sliders. These will work with the Nerf bars for those of you wanting to do the Nerf bars. Little additional installation process. You will need to drill some holes, but other than that, pretty slick install. Looks good on there, and definitely some added protection. Have a great night, everybody.